What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Life Upgraded. Today we're going to be talking about 5 tips for creating realistic fitness goals. Let's jump in. Tip number 1, assess your current fitness level. Before setting any fitness goals, it's important to assess your current fitness level. This can help you determine what you need to work on and how you can achieve your fitness goals. You can start by asking yourself some questions such as, how often do I exercise? What types of exercises do I currently do? What's my current weight and body fat percentage? Or what's my current fitness level? Tip number 2, make your goals specific and measurable. Instead of saying, oh, I want to get in shape, try to make your goals more specific, such as, I want to lose 5 pounds in 1 month, or I want to run 30 minutes without stopping. Making your goals measurable helps you track your progress and see how far you've come. Tip number 3, set a realistic time frame. Setting a realistic time frame is crucial when it comes to setting fitness goals. Trying to achieve too much too soon can lead to frustration and disappointment. Be realistic with your expectations and set a time frame that allows you to achieve your goals without putting too much pressure on yourself. Tip number 4, break your goals down into smaller steps. Breaking your goals down into smaller steps can make them more manageable and achievable. For example, if your goal is to run a 5K, you can break it down into smaller steps, such as running for 10 minutes without stopping, then 15 minutes, then 20 minutes, and so on. Tip number 5, be flexible and adjust your goals if necessary. Remember, it's okay to adjust your goals. Life can be unpredictable and sometimes things don't go as planned. Don't get discouraged, and if you need to make changes to your goals along the way, feel free to do so. So there you have it, guys. These are the 5 tips on how to set realistic fitness goals for beginners. Remember to assess your current fitness level, make your goals specific and measurable, set a realistic time frame, break your goals down into smaller steps, and be flexible and adjust your goals if necessary. Setting realistic fitness goals is important for staying motivated and achieving success. So take the time to set achievable goals, and I promise you will see progress in no time. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button if you'd like more videos like this one that will help you get a hold of your physical and mental health. We'll see you next time.